What options do sellers have if their home appraises for less than the asking price? Despite rising interest rates shrinking your potential pool of buyers, now is still a great time to sell your home. Home prices are still increasing, just not as quickly as they were over the last couple of years. However, rising home values can also present a challenge for sellers. If your buyer's appraiser value on your home is less than what you are selling it for, what can you do? Confer with your real estate agent to make sure your home isn't overpriced for the market. And if so, you'll need to adjust your price to align with your current market conditions, since most buyers won't want to shell out thousands of dollars to cover the difference between the appraised value and the asking price. Look over the comparable sales in your area. The appraiser already bases their values on comparable home sales nearby, but you might be able to find better comps to justify your asking price. Ask your potential buyer to make up the difference. Though many buyers may not want to, it is a seller's market where you have the upper hand to negotiate, so it won't be as difficult to find a willing buyer as it was in the past. Some may even agree an appraisal gap guarantee, which ensures they're willing to pay the difference if your appraisal is low. If you're motivated to sell your home and getting more than your asking price isn't your top priority, you can also simply lower your asking price to match. If you have more questions about this, call me or DM me. I'm Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.